Welcome guys to another video of Bayo Team Official. So please subscribe and like my every single videos in YouTube, my channel. Sorry about these cops because don't move this place and I need to make this video because it's very important. So don't forget to subscribe and like my every single videos. Come on, this cop. So don't forget to follow me in my Instagram and follow me in my profile on Roblox. So if you can, please do for me. Now I have an Discord and on channel, so please you can join. If you go to my channel in YouTube, I have the link. And of course the Instagram. So today what I do in this video, so I do a tutorial. Yes, tutorial. I'm testing the tutorials, so I don't know what I choose, but we can choose. I don't know, I like very the bus, but I don't know. I think that we can. Let's see. Truck, police, cars, or firefighter. Maybe. I don't know. Truck? Yeah, truck. So today we are testing the tutorial of the truck company, and of course the light console just showing to you the robbery, so cash register and vending machine. We choose one for do and test. So truck and the driver's seat of your car. Let's so drive to the truck company and start your shift at the counter. So that's there. Okay, let's do. Where is the line of the map? Oh, let's go to this side. So don't forget to subscribe, please. We won 10 subscribers. Thanks. So if you want better videos, please subscribe to Neo Plays because he's a good YouTuber and I like to see the vids of him because he's a very good channel. But I am growing, so if you can share my channel, I love very. So please share, like, do everything for your team. So we go to the company. Let's see how he finished the tutorial. So spread, I don't care. So okay. Oh my god, the cops don't stop, man. I love have Robux to buy the private server. I'm waiting for one friend give me the password of the private server. But let's see. The next video I can use the private server. So let's and start your shift. Let's start. We have here 76 XP. So spawn a truck at the K box. Oh my god. Let me see here a thing. Where is the introduced? So aha. Oh. played, man. Just I have just these and these truck because I don't have Robux to buy this pass, so I use this because it's very incredible. 2,000 man. I have 4,000. Okay. Enter the driver's seat of your truck. Okay. Oh my god, the cops know. Yeah, I need very private sub. So complete deliveries until you have 30 XP. Okay. Oh my gosh. This server is incredible, man. Okay. Let me see if I can exit. Oh, okay. We have to go to the delivery point. So let's go. Man, you like my videos? Please like, okay, and subscribe. I need very subscribers to have Robux because with the money of YouTube I buy Robux. But I earn Robux until I have 10,000 subscribers, so I have to grow many. I love turn and very good YouTuber, but let's see. I'm growing. When I have, let me think, 100 subscribers, I start doing lives to play with you, okay, in my private server. So we can join when I have 100 subscribers. Let's wait. I have to wait more 19 subscribers because I have 10. I'm growing very because in 1 month later I have only 3 subscribers, and now I have 10 because I'm growing very much. I'm very good. Yeah, I am not very good, but I am growing, that I said before. So please subscribe and help me, help your team. Oh guys, you can buy now my t-shirt for 15 Robux. So if you can buy, you can buy. You are donating for me, and in 1 month I have a game you can join for donating Robux to your team. You can donate, and I earn Robux to buy the all passes in the shop of game. So let me see. Shop. We have these all passes. I don't have any one. You can then comment in the comments of this video what is the better pass to have. So I don't know. I have to have more people think. So choose one and say. In 1 month I have the game. You can join, like, and enter, and of course donate. Okay. I'll wait. So I have to complete delivery. So let's see. This truck is very big, man. It's 40,000 XP. So it's very XP, man. Very. Don't forget to go to the link in my channel in YouTube to join to my Discord, please. New members turn in a member, a role that name is member, and if you are my friend, you can turn to the official member in the rules of the channel. So you can join, be my friend on Roblox, and of course turn on in the official member. So we have eight members, so you can join. It's incredible for me, and for sharing the videos and things. And for you, I have one new that is now I have one person in this beautiful world that do for me vids. So he basically edit my videos and create thumbnails and everything. That name, he have a channel, so if you can subscribe to our channel, is MT Plays with Z, okay? Z Plays with Z. So you can subscribe MT Plays. So he's my friend and he is my video editor. Okay, let's deliver this chart. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's put and your shift at the truck company. Okay, let's go to the truck company. I like playing this game very much because I think that this game is a better. So I love this game because we have trucks, we have buses, we have cars. Now we have motorbikes. So it's incredible to know these things. Oh man, these cops. Go to the other side. I don't know. Why? Why? Oh my god. I have to push the bus. Let's go. Okay, now I am going to the truck company. So let's go. Okay, he's very sus. Man, my subscriber, please, in this video, comment if you like these motorbikes. Okay, in the final of this video, I show you the motorbike to you because I don't know, I like to drive that motorbikes because I don't have the pass, and this motorbike is for the users or the players that don't have any Robux and can't buy the pass. So it's incredible for maybe one person, and for the others is horrible because I have the pass and you don't have. So yeah, it's very bad for many players in the game because I have the passes, all the passes, and you don't have. So I say one word, but I don't say because I am in a channel on YouTube. So Oh my god. Truck company. Let's go. Let's imagine how much money I earn in this 76 XP. So let's see. I earn 1000. It's incredible. You have successfully completed the tutorial. Close the tutorial. Okay, so if you love this tutorial, please comment everything, join to my Discord, follow me in my Instagram and join to my Discord, and add me in Roblox and follow me in my profile on Roblox, of course. So let's okay, this is the new motorbike. Okay, we have the words, we can see it in the bank, and in the beginning, if you see my other video, for rent is 100 euros, but if you go to the Discord of Emergency Hamburg, you can see that the owner put only 15, because many players are saying put 15, and the owner put. So just saying that this motorbike go only to 15 kilometers per hour, so it's very good, but it's electric, one more pass, and it is a motorbike, so the pass that this motorbike have, the rental motorbike. Okay, okay, let's park here. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and other videos, and of course this video, because I love you, and thanks to have 10 subscribers. Don't forget to join my Discord and subscribe to MT Plays, because it's a very good channel. He does other videos in Emergency Hamburg, lives and everything. He has 117 subscribers, so it's very good. You subscribe for me and for MT Plays. So bye.